আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করছি ক্যামব্রিজ বুক 12 টেস্ট 1 স্পিকিং পার্ট 1। টপিক হচ্ছে হেলথ আর কোশ্চেন এবং অ্যান্সার নিয়ে আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করব। তাহলে আমরা শুরু করছি। প্রথম যে প্রশ্নটা আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি সেটা হচ্ছে, ইজ ইট ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট টু ইউ টু ইট হেলদি ফুড? ওয়াই অর ওয়াই নট? Yes, eating healthy food is incredibly important to me, and I believe it holds significant value in maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Healthy food is not only provide essential vitamins and minerals but also strengthens our immune system, helping us combat various diseases prevalent in our environment. Moreover, a balanced diet contributes to physical fitness, mental well being, and overall productivity, which are essential aspects of fulfilling life. দ্বিতীয় প্রশ্নটা হচ্ছে, if you catch a cold, what do you do to help you feel better? Why? Whenever I catch a cold, I resort to a few remedies to alleviate the discomfort and promote a speedy recovery. In first stage, I increase my intake of warm fluids like herbal teas and soaps to soothe my throat and keep myself hydrated. Additionally, I take over the counter medications like paracetamol to alleviate fever and body aches. Sometimes I also rely on traditional remedies like ginger tea and honey, which are believed to have healing properties and help alleviate cold symptoms naturally. আমাদের তৃতীয় প্রশ্নটি হচ্ছে, ডু ইউ পে অ্যাটেনশন টু পাবলিক ইনফরমেশন অ্যাবাউট হেলথ? ওয়াই or why not? Absolutely, I pay close attention to public information about health, and I believe it essential for everyone to stay informed about health related matters. Public health announcement campaigns and educational programs provide valuable insights into preventing disease, promoting healthy habits, and understanding potential health risks in our surroundings. By staying informed, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions about our health and well-being. চতুর্থ নম্বর প্রশ্নটি হচ্ছে, what could you do to have a healthier lifestyle? To lead a healthier lifestyle, I can adopt several practices in my daily routine. In the first stage, I can focus on consuming a balanced diet comprising fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains while reducing the intake of processed foods and sugary snacks. Regular physical activity is also vital, and I can incorporate exercises like walking, jogging, or yoga into my schedule to stay fit and active. Moreover, managing stress levels through relaxation techniques and adequate sleep is crucial for overall well-being. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and like our videos.